In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can post grid pictures on Instagram. So you may have come across those pictures on Instagram where it's one picture, but it's separated into 9 different pictures and together they look like one picture. It's a pretty cool effect. Now, how you do this is you want to go to the App Store on your phone and you want to search for an app called 9 Square. 9 Square for Instagram, that one right here. You want to make sure that you install 9 Square for Instagram, and once you have that installed, open it up. This is what it looks like. When you open it up, then just tap on that picture icon in the center and you can select either to take a photo with your camera, select from your files or Google Photos. For this example, I'll just take a quick photo. So I'm just going to take a photo real quick and there's my photo. I can tap on OK. And this is really simple to do. So once the photo loads up, okay, so for some reason it wasn't working when I took a photo with my camera. So just keep that in mind. So for the Instagram one, you want to select the 3x3. It's going to look like that. Then you can resize it to fit it in the frame how you want it. Then you just need to tap at the top right hand corner. It says crop, tap on that. And now you want to upload these in order. So 1, 2, 3 in order onto Instagram. So what you need to do is you can either save all of them to your camera roll, but that's the more difficult solution. I recommend just tapping on the first one and then you can tap on Instagram and select feed. And then you go with always or just once. That'll take you over to Instagram and then you can go ahead and post this photo onto your feed. And then once that's done, you want to go back into 9 Square. And then you want to tap on the second one and then just go through that same process. And then it's going to look like this on your Instagram feed in 9 different photos. So that is how you post grid photos on your Instagram feed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.